Example number 23. Pth comma qth and rth term of an AP are x, y and z respectively. So what does it mean? It means pth term. So how do we write pth term? Nth term is Tn, so pth term will be Tp is equal to x. Qth term, so Tq is equal to y, and rth term, that is Tr, is equal to z. Now find the value of x into q minus r plus y into r minus p plus z into p minus q. So we will move from the given here. Okay, let's see what is Tp. I mean Tn is a plus n minus 1d. So let the first term be T1 be a and common difference be d of that AP, of an AP, of the AP here. Okay, so assumption you have to write it always. I'm not writing in all the questions, right, but you have to write it. From here we will start. So let me first draw a line. Okay, now after that we will start here. So now what is Tn? So that is a plus n minus 1d. Here it will be a plus p minus 1d. Am I right? That is Tp. Right, and what is Tp? They have given you x. So I can take it as, at the place of Tp I can write x. So I write here a plus p minus 1 d is equal to x. So what is p minus 1? D, that will be equal to x minus a. So what is p minus 1? Okay, that will be equal to x minus a upon d. Okay, and then okay, let's not go by this way because we can get it q minus r also, right? So let's keep it until here only, right? Let's keep it until here because we have to find p minus q. Okay, let's not go for that detail here. So what I'll do is I'll keep it until this as a first equation here, because I think something has to be subtracted. Let it be the number one equation. Fine. Now I'll go for the next one. What is the next one? Tq. So that will be similar way, a plus q minus 1d d is equal to y, right? So let it be second equation here. Third one, a plus, where is that? R, right? It will be r minus 1d is equal to z. Similar way I'm writing it all. Fine. And this is the third equation here, a plus r minus 1d. So what I'll do, see, we have to get here q minus r. So this is q having, this is minus r. If I subtract the third equation from the second equation, I can get q minus r. That's a possibility. So what I'll do is I'll put everything in the one column here and start writing. I'll do third equation minus the second equation and see what happens. Equations is okay. So what is the third equation? A plus r minus 1d, right, minus this entire thing in bracket, you can put it minus, which is our second equation. I think I made a mistake here. We have to get q minus r, right? So I have to write second equation minus third equation, not the third minus second. Oh, what is happening today? Okay. Second equation minus third equation, and it will be q. Second is what? A plus q minus 1d, and okay, minus, which is the next one, third equation. Third equation, this one. So a plus r minus 1d. Now when and that is equal to what? What is that equal to? Y minus z. I'll keep it here. Now open the bracket. So it will be a plus qd minus d minus, open the bracket, a plus rd minus d is equal to y minus z. So it will be a plus qd minus d minus a minus rd and plus d is equal to y minus z. Minus d plus d got cancelled here. A and a got cancelled. We get what? qd minus rd is equal to y minus z. I can take d common. What is left? q minus r is equal to y minus z. So we can find q minus r. So q minus r is equal to y minus z upon d. So let it be the one of the equation. We can say the fourth equation, right? Now coming back to, now we have got q minus r. You can see this is q minus r. Why we got it? Because we can substitute it here. Now we have to get what? R minus p. So you can yourself understand which one you should subtract from which one. You will get r minus p. Where is r? R is here and p is here, right? So if you subtract first equation from third, you will get that. So I can say third equation, right, minus first equation, right? So what happened? Third is a plus r minus 1d, right, and minus, in bracket, what is that? A plus p minus 1 and d, and that is equal to what? What is a? This one, z. Other one is x minus x, RHS, right side. So third minus first will give you r minus p, which is needed here. So when we solve it, what will happen? A plus rd minus d minus, and if you solve it here, it will be a plus pd minus d. I did not open the bracket in one go, right, because there can be mistakes. So this is why a plus rd minus d minus a minus pd and plus d is equal to z minus x. D got cancelled, A got cancelled here. So R D minus PD is equal to z minus x. So R minus P will be equal to z minus x upon D. So let it be the fifth equation now. Okay. Now we can do the next one, that is we need P minus Q. So how to do the P minus Q here? See, P is where? Is here and Q is here. So first minus second. Okay. So I'll do the first equation minus second equation here. First equation minus second equation. So what do we get? A plus P minus 1 D minus A plus, we need what? P minus Q. So second equation is Q minus 1 times D, and that is equal to what? First is x, second is y. So x minus y. Keep it here. Solve it. Let's see what do we get. So open the bracket. A plus PD minus D minus, you can do it directly if you want, but in the exam don't write directly. You can open the bracket one by one. It will be minus A and it will be minus QD and plus D is equal to x minus y. See, every time the D will get cancelled, A will get cancelled. So PD minus QD is equal to x minus y. So I can take P minus Q is equal to x minus y upon D. So which equation is it now? We already have taken certain number of equations, up to 5 equations. This will be the 6th equation here. Okay. Now, so we have got the 6th equation. Now see, what do we do in this case is, now we will substitute the value in the question. What is the question that we have? The question is this one. We have to find the value of this one. So I'll write it below there. I'm putting it here. Now we have to get the value of this. So wherever is Q minus R, I will write this. So I'm writing it here now. X, Q minus R is how much? All right, Y minus Z upon D. Fine. It has to be in a proper bracket. So I'll write it here. Plus Y, what is that? R minus P. So where is R minus P? R minus P is here. R minus P that we have is Z minus X upon D. So I'll write it here. Z minus X upon D here. Okay. Now next is P minus Q. What is P minus Q? Z here. P is how much? A P minus Q upon a P minus Q is, this is P minus Q. So P minus Q is X minus Y upon D. So we have to find the value of this one. So open it. X into Y is XY. Okay. Minus XZ upon D plus YZ minus XY upon D plus ZX minus ZY upon D. Everything is D here. So XY minus XZ plus YZ minus XY plus zx minus zy, this whole thing upon d. xy is plus, xy is minus 0, xz is minus, xz is plus 0, yz is plus, and yz is minus 0. So what do we get? We get 0 upon d, and which is equal to 0. So the answer is 0 in it, right? Sometimes this question may come as prove it is equal to 0. So you can prove it. Here the question is to find the value of this. So we have found the value of this one. So you understood how to do it? First we will find out, okay, I will make the equation as such, and we'll understand here and find out how to get q minus r. So q is here, r is here. So it means if I subtract the third equation from second, it can give you q minus r. Same way we have to find r minus p and p minus q, and then substitute the value as such over here, and if you further solve it, you will get the answer.